Some exciting news coming out from CES, and check this out. It's not even the first day of the event yet, and both Klipsch and JBL have announced brand new True Wireless Earbuds. We've got one from Klipsch, we've got a few from JBL. Let's look at the one from Klipsch first, okay? This is what it looks like. This is the new Klipsch T5 True Wireless Earbuds. They are going to showcase this during the show. I'm super excited because these are the very first True Wireless Earbuds from Klipsch, and they look damn gorgeous, okay? Just look at the design. This looks almost like what Marshall should have done, really. Now clearly they've chosen to go with the vintage look over here, which I dig a lot, by the way. The matte black finish, the brass gold accents, the super solid looking matte stainless steel case, which looks like a Zippo lighter, feels like you could flick it up with a ting, you know? Wow, I think they've really nailed the design here. Now I've been staring to my crystal ball, and my crystal ball is telling me that this is going to be the most popular product from Klipsch in years, because these pair of earbuds, they support aptX HD, so if you use a device that also runs aptX HD, you're gonna get better sound quality and zero latency when you're watching videos. Also, they run on Bluetooth 5.0, so all those signal drops that you usually get with True Wireless Earbuds, you're not gonna get them as much here. My concern here is that this only has an 8-hour battery life according to hardwarezone.com. So that's pretty much below average in the grand scheme of things, because most other True Wireless Earbuds at least support around 12 to 15 hours of juice. So 8 hours of battery life, 8 hours only. Also, it looks like this doesn't come with an app, so it's not possible to tweak the sounds you're liking, like with the BeoPlay E8 or the Jabra Elite 65T. But still, it's got some great things going for it. It's got Bluetooth 5.0, it supports aptX HD, it's got that awesome vintage look, which I totally dig. So in the end, who knows, maybe my crystal ball may be right. But I can't wait, really. I'm really excited. I can't wait for it to drop into Singapore so that I can try it firsthand. So once upon a time, you could only buy one type of JBL True Wireless Earbuds, and that was the JBL Free. More recently, the JBL Free X was released to correct some of the quirks that the JBL Free suffered from. Come this spring, however, you could have a choice of up to 4 different types of True Wireless Earbuds from JBL. The first one is called the JBL Tune120TWS. Not exactly a name that rolls off the tongue, but it features JBL's pure bass sound, and they are voice assistant capable, supporting both Siri and Google Assistant. Battery life is pretty good. It's got 4 hours of battery life on a single charge, and the case carries up to 3 extra charges, so you get a total of 18 hours of battery. Whether it's up to 18 hours of battery or 18 hours of battery on average remains to be seen, but apparently this also supports fast charging. JBL says that a 15-minute charge gives you about an hour of battery life, which is pretty impressive because most other True Wireless Earbuds, they don't support fast charging, okay? So if this really supports fast charging, it's a plus. They go on sale in spring for $99.95, which rounds up to about $100. But I gotta say, don't they look a bit like the Jabra Elite 65T Active? Coincidence? I don't think so. Okay, so now let's move on to the JBL Reflect Flow. These are rated IPX7 waterproof, so I'm assuming that the Tune120TWS, these are not waterproof, or not as waterproof as the Reflect Flow. The Reflect Flow also boasts a total of 30 hours of battery life, 10 hours in the earbuds themselves. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I wonder how is that possible. And then the case provides another 20 hours. So yeah, that's pretty impressive, the battery life. They also feature JBL's talk through and ambient aware technology, so it's a sort of ambient sound pass-through mode, I guess. They are priced at $150, and they are only available from the summer of 2019. So much later than the Tune120TWS, for sure. And it seems as though they don't support voice assistants. I could be wrong. Next we have the JBL Endurance Peaks, which I assume to be at least water resistant if not waterproof, because apparently they are designed for sports. So they have this hook around your ear form factor, and they have touch controls as well. And JBL claims that these have a battery life of up to 28 hours. Wow, that's pretty rare for a pair of True Wireless earbuds. But I'm assuming that this is because it's got a bigger form factor. They could squeeze in a bigger battery as a result. It doesn't look like it comes with a case, so I'll have to assume that all that battery life is in the earbuds themselves. These ones are available right now at 120 bucks. Okay, so moving on. We have a collaboration project between JBL and Under Armour. They've done this before with the Under Armour JBL, I believe it's a Reflect Contour earbuds, but these ones are different. True Wireless earbuds designed in conjunction with Under Armour, so you have the Under Armour logo on the earbuds themselves. They are IPX7 waterproof, delivers 5 hours of battery life, and you can get an additional 20 hours from the aluminum charging case. So that's pretty cool. It comes with an aluminum charging case that carries an extra 20 hours of battery life. They also come with what seems to be a more rugged looking stability fin as compared to the JBL Reflect Flow. They also feature JBL's Talk Through and ambient aware sound technologies. Hey, forgive me if I'm wrong, but it seems to me that these are the JBL Reflect Flows, but with Under Armour branding. The UA Flash is available right now for 170 bucks, which is $20 more than the Reflect Flow. But for that $20 premium, you're actually getting a much better value, I guess, because this also includes a 12-month Map My Run premium membership worth 30 bucks. You also get to use the Under Armour app, so this can work as a fitness tracker, and you also get an aluminum case. So that's $20 extra. Oh, and it's available now, whereas the Reflect Flow is only available in the summer. So at this point, it seems like a pretty good deal, but overall, I think that JBL is doing something right here. JBL is making it affordable for most people to own a pair of JBL True Wireless earbuds. Not something that you can say about the Klipsch T5 wireless, which retails for 199 bucks at the very least. Whereas you can get a decent pair of JBL True Wireless earbuds for under 100 bucks. And if you pay a bit extra for the other models, you can get features such as waterproofing, voice controls, ambient sound pass-through, and even touch controls like with the JBL Endurance Peak. And all of them have much better battery life than the Klipsch T5 wireless. It seems to me that there are certain things that JBL is doing right here, making it possible for the man in the street to own a high quality pair of True Wireless earbuds. However, there are certain features which I love about the Klipsch T5 wireless that I don't find in the JBL range of True Wireless earbuds. For example, Bluetooth 5.0. Very important because that ensures that you get the best possible Bluetooth wireless connection between the earbuds and with your cell phone wherever you are. And how about aptX HD or aptX? That appears to be missing from the JBL range of earbuds, which I feel is quite a pity because a lot of people nowadays would rather prefer to watch videos on their True Wireless earbuds with no audio video syncing delay, which is only possible with aptX or aptX HD enabled True Wireless earbuds. On the one hand, you've got great value for money and features, and on the other, you've got premium design, build quality, and performance. And the price point reflects that. But I'm interested to know what you guys think. Would you rather go for a pair of True Wireless earbuds, which is more value for money, or would you rather go for the more premium, more sexy option like the Klipsch T5 wireless? Tell me in the comment section below because I think it'll be interesting to find out. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because YouTube sometimes don't notify you when I put up videos, okay? So it's important that you ring the bell because I'll be covering CES for the next couple of days and videos will pop up a lot more often. So ring the bell so that you don't miss another video. Once again, Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Facepalm out!